is definitely first to get the oil pressed and brought directly to me, the consumer. No middleman. This is, I mean, I feel that I should be paying you more money because this never happens, and to have it this pure. My first experience with almond oil was when I was pregnant, and I had the largest stomach ever, and I would just slab it on, and I never had stretch marks. So for me, almond oil has always been sort of the miracle oil, and it's not easy to find. The one I used at the time I found in Switzerland, and I've looked in New York, and I've got it at the Indian shops, at other shops, but this is really it's the real deal. I can tell. Yes, thank you. Yeah, this is